Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa Thompson of drlisamthompson.com, and in today's video I'm going to share with you my best tip to selling your starter kit or package to your brand new distributor that decided to join you in your business. Now, how do you respond to this question when the prospect says, what level or package did you come in at? This is always the first question they're going to ask before they sign on the dotted line to become a distributor. Because you have many different packages or starter kits in your business. So which one do you promote? Now, I learned this from top earner Ray Higdon. If you're not following Ray, I highly recommend that you do. Go to Facebook and follow him on his fan page, facebook.com/Ray Higdon page. Every Friday he does Free Coaching Friday, where he will do a live stream and he will take your questions that you have on growing your network marketing business. Now, make sure you stay with me till the end of this video, because I'm going to show you how you can become a part of Ray's private Facebook group, Rank Makers. Now, keep this in mind whenever you are promoting your kit. A confused mind does not buy. You need to keep it simple, duplicatable, and focus on how it will solve your prospects' problems. You want to temper your excitement so you're not giving them so much information that it literally overwhelms them and you talk them out of being a distributor. You're literally talking them out of the sale. So here's what you need to understand. When you are promoting your kit, you want to sell the largest kit option. Why? We want to position before promotion, okay? Because you want your brand new distributor to be in a position where they're going to capitalize and get maximum commissions, because this is going to help them make money faster and increase their level of belief. You see, people will sell what they buy. So it's really important for you when you are going through your business that you are in a position for a promotion and have the largest kit option or membership option or premium membership option available, and you are doing it because people are going to duplicate what you do. So you need to keep this as simple as possible. Now, here is the script that I learned from Ray when you're promoting your kit. What you say is, when they ask you, what level did you come in at? You say, great question. I'm glad that you asked that. Let me ask you a question. You're looking to build a business, right? Are you looking to build your business fast or slow? Now, most people are going to say, well, I want to build my business fast. Then you're going to respond with, if you're looking to build your business fast, this package will give you all of the tools to help you with, and then you are going to touch on their pain points. So whatever that is, whether it's, losing weight, whether it's getting them to have more time to spend with their family, whatever it is that you found out their pain points are in the prospecting process, you want to bring that up again, and you want to make sure that they're understanding what the benefit of this kit is and how it's going to help them. When you put it that way, that is going to make them want to purchase the kit, okay? So the other key thing is, I learned this from Tony Robbins, okay? This is one of my absolute favorite quotes from him. When you pay attention. So if someone is going to invest in getting that premium kit, they are going to want to work faster. They're going to do everything they can to make their investment back. So when you have someone that's coming in at that premium level, they are going to want to hit the ground running. As opposed, if you gave someone or offered them the lower prices, okay, or the lower cost kits, think about it. When you have a free course or you purchase something that didn't cost a lot of money, you really don't take it with a level of seriousness. But when you invest something that does cost a bit of money, you're going to do everything you can to get a return on that investment. So you have to really get people to see the value of what that kit is and how it's going to help them get results quickly. Did you find this video helpful today? If you did, leave a comment and share. Now, as promised, I want to share with you how you can become a member of Ray Higdon's private Facebook group, Rank Makers. I am a part of this group, and it is one of the most productive groups you can be a part of to really grow your business, especially as a part-time marketer and you don't have a lot of time. What Ray does is you go in every day, he gives a video, and he teaches you an action step along with a training. These action steps are proven to work that will help you get in results. It's going to take you from being in perpetual student mode into action mode, and that's where you're going to see results. It is these action steps that took Ray from being in personal foreclosure back in 2008 to being a 7-figure earner, a top earner in the network marketing profession. Ray's trainings really are amazing, and I speak from the heart from this because he gives you action steps, he gives you scripts, how to overcome objections, what to say to people when you prospect, how to follow up, and how to close without sounding salesy or spammy, because he preaches seeking conversation over conversion. He's also going to teach you how to use social media the correct way so that you are in compliance with social media, you're keeping and building friendships and relationships. And when you do what Ray tells you, you're going to see results. So to become a member of Rank Makers, all you need to do is go to drlisamthompson.com/Rank Makers, where you get more information on how you can be part of this Facebook group today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.